How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We're starting the vlog at, what time is it? At 2:15. Hey, 2:15 in the morning. I think you guys can see me better with that, but I can't see myself. So we're starting this vlog at 2 in the morning. 2:15 to be exact. It's Tuesday, February 5. It's February 5th. We're starting the vlog at Tony's house. Tony, it's really cold down here. My toes are freezing, but he has like a crap ton of blankets, so that is a good. But I literally can't sleep. I thought I fixed my sleep schedule, but I didn't, because it's 2:16 and I can't sleep for some reason. I can't sleep. I got work tomorrow in the morning. Yeah, pretty much. I'm just watching some other vlogs on Tony's TV. So Tony went up to his room, sleeping. In case you don't know Tony, I'm gonna put a little right there. There's gonna be or I think it's right here, either here or there. But Tony is the guy that we tried to do laxative pranks on, and it didn't work. Is that the only video we have him in? I think so. I don't know, but pretty much it's hella cold. I got a huge headache, and I can't sleep. I think that's why I can't sleep. But yeah, pretty much. So I'm probably gonna wake up in the morning. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I gotta go to work today, literally, but I don't work till 5. So I think that'll be good. I gotta edit another video for Wednesdays. So yeah, pretty much. I just wanted to start the vlog, and yeah. I'm not gonna lie, when I was laying on the other couch, a spider came down. I saw it coming down. Thank God I didn't go to sleep, because I had the TV was on, and I saw the spider just coming down. I was like, what the flip is that? I was like, and the spider was getting closer and closer, and I didn't do crap. I was like, what is that? And then I looked at it. I was about to touch it. I was going to go like that. I was like, what the heck is that? I look at it, and then, oh my God, it's a spider. I got up real quick, and I jumped to turn on the light, and I squashed that spider. So yeah, that's so far right now. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna try to go to sleep, guys. I'll see you guys later. It was cold down here.
Are you recording?
Yeah, this is for the vlog. I
don't give you copyright for me.
That's not even what you call it, dumbass. I don't give you consent to film me, dumbass.
I can sue you for this.
Sorry. For what money?
The money that you don't got.
Right. You're gonna be in. I don't know when this comes out, but you're gonna be in a vlog.
Shut the fuck up, boy.
What's up, guys? Welcome again, because I've already started the vlog. But I haven't picked up the camera in it's been 2 days already. Great at vlogging. Yes. Success. This is how you get success, guys. Just procrastinate a lot. It's Wednesday. I'm gonna edit the vlog, not the vlog, but a video. It's gonna be the whisper challenge that we did weeks ago already. But yeah, nothing much has happened. I gotta go to work again, because you know, work, you gotta make money to make that bread. At 5, it's 8:24. I woke up at 6:30. I want to start waking up early and going to sleep early. Yesterday I went to sleep at 11:30. But yeah, I want to wake up in the morning so I can do everything in the morning, because since I work late, so I go in at 5 today, so I want to start getting work done in the morning. So I want to wake up at 6:30, so that way I can like get up, brush my teeth, shower, do whatever I need to do, and then head into work and just edit. You know, work on my edit, just getting videos ready. You know, I feel like that would be something that would be a lot easier for me. I'm not a morning person, so that's why I want to try to make myself a morning person. So yeah, I'm just gonna edit, so that's really much it. So I'll swear I'll pick up the camera. Okay, I swear I'll pick it up. I don't know. I'm hungry, but I want to edit this video first to get it out at 2:30 for you guys. That's the goal. The videos I want them to come out at 2:30. I feel like that would be a good time, or maybe 3:30. I don't know, either one, because like that's around when like kids start coming out of school and stuff. I'm not in school anymore, so I couldn't tell you. It's not like I was in school that long ago, literally last year. So, but yeah. I don't know. There's chicken breast. Maybe we can do a little cook session. You know, David's here, so we might cook something. We'll see what we got going. You know, you feel? Yeah. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see in a bit. Yeah. Okay. I'll see you. Okay. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh, there you are. I was looking through the camera looking for you. I was like,
dead ass at you.
Wait.
Look outside. It's so ugly.
It's so hideous outside.
Also, it's like, let me see. It's hideous inside too. Wait. Terrible.
Stop talking about yourself.
Welcome to the vlog.
I already started the vlog, dumbass. Yo, little dumbass, yo, whatever. I was talking to him about it, how I'm editing the video that's going up today, which is Wednesday.
Copyright.
Are you stupid or what? Like I did in the other vlog. That literally made me look like a dick, but I was just kidding.
No,
I'm not like that.
He's
Shut the fuck. I'm paying you. Hey, yo, like for real, I'm paying you for this shit. Like you can't be saying that.
It's not. I can't do this anymore, bro. Like it's hard.
Bro, I know it's hard, but like you can't like say that
Are
shit.
you recording? You're not recording.
No,
right?
I'm not. No, I'm not recording.
Okay.
Wait, let me. No, I'm not recording.
Okay, just making sure.
It's off. No, but like for real, on the real shit, like you can't be saying that about me, bro. Cause like, you know, this
bro,
like.
But you treat me like shit, bro. It's not easy.
No, bro, but you're being a little pussy right now, bro.
No,
like,
bro. Like I can't do this anymore.
Okay, do you have a dick or not?
Yes.
Okay, then you're a man, right?
Yes.
Okay, then man up, grow some pears, and be a man.
Okay.
Stop being a little girl, okay?
Okay.
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 Are you fucking ready?
Yes.
Okay. Put a fucking smile. Okay. Anyways, we're.
Copyright!
Stop!
It's gonna be a thing.
That's gonna be. Luckily we can play for at least 30 seconds, so we won't get copyrighted. If we do, I'm suing YouTube. No, I'm suing whoever copyright claims it. I forgot what it's called, but there's like a button where you can do it, and it like, I think you like go to court for that crap stuff.
Just play it safe and just not play.
It's not. But yeah, we're gonna cook some chicken.
You're gonna do it.
I'm gonna cook because he can't cook for.
I cook better than you.
I cook better than you. What are you talking? Boy, are you for real?
All I've ever seen you cook all I've ever seen you cook is eggs.
Bull crap. I've cooked more than that.
That's all you've ever cooked.
No, bro. I can freaking cook.
Okay, I cook too.
You can't cook better than me.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
I'm the one who's worked behind the kitchen, okay?
Okay.
Mr. Busboy, you've only worked as a busboy in a restaurant, okay? So, that you can't do shit.
Ah! Listen, the whore. Oh, thank you. Did you fart?
No. I think it was a sandal. No. Bitch. We gotta stop cursing. We got some nice chicken here. We're gonna cook chicken. Gonna wash this because we're gonna do the kitchen there. Kitchen? We're gonna do the chicken there. I don't know what else to add, so we'll probably.
Seasoning in that drawer.
Oh, well, there's seasoning there. Besides the medication, there's seasoning there. And beside this big old egg head. By the way, if you guys didn't know, this is the world record egg. It's his head. It was based on his head, just so you guys know. But yeah, pretty much, just so you guys know. I gotta charge my phone, it's gonna die. BRB.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Doesn't look fire.
Sure. Kidding at this.
That was good. Tasted the chicken. It was so good, wasn't it?
Mine? I don't know.
Eat that chicken. So pretty much made some chicken with eggs. I was gonna do chickens with rice, but we didn't have rice, so couldn't make that. So pretty much just eggs and chicken. Watching WWE. Why is it pointing over there? The TV low. But I don't know.
It's weird.
Yeah, you can't see it. I was pointing over there. I was like, the TV's not there, cause it's like wide angle, so it's like very much. But yeah, pretty much that's pretty much what I did. So. How is it? It's good. So yeah, pretty much this is the life right now until 4:20, because I gotta go to work at 4:20. We'll pick up the vlog later. So I just arrived to work. I don't want to get out. I don't want to go. But need that money. We need that dough. You know what I mean? Dough. Yeah. Alright, let's go get this bread. Alright, so pretty much that's all we did. Didn't record anything else, so sorry about that, but we're gonna do running errands part 2 because we got a crap ton to do today. So we gotta, what are we gonna do? We gotta go buy some little baby shoes. What else do we gotta do? I know there's something else we gotta do. I don't remember what else we gotta do. Damn, how do I not remember what we gotta do? Oh, we gotta go get the baby shoes. We gotta get water. We gotta go to an appointment for David's insurance or something at 3. What else do we gotta do? There's more that we gotta do, but yeah. But that is it for this vlog that you guys are watching. I'll see you guys next time with a brand new vlog. You know, we upload every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so be sure to hit that subscribe button. We upload at 2:30 p.m. So be sure to subscribe. And yeah, pretty much. that was pretty much it. So I'll see you guys next time. Deuces, my peeps.